Alright guys, so today's bell work in workshop is going to be solving with counters, a little throwback, see if we remember how to do this. I think the counters have been put away, so don't bug the sub looking for them, just go ahead and draw counters. You are welcome to just fill in counters for red ones, or fill in little circles for red counters, and then leave blank circles for yellow. So, solve with counters. Go ahead, pause the video, practice these integer operations, and then we will go over them in a second. Okay, welcome back. So, first thing we do solving with counters is write out in words what is going on. Make sure you remember how to do this. So, -8 is 8 red, add 7 yellow. Again, it's important we know how to do it in words because those are our instructions. We are telling ourselves what we're going to do. Second one, 5 yellow. Minus is take away. And then -3 is 3 red. And then on C, 2 yellow. Add 8 red. So those are the 3 words that you should have gone through and put. Now we're going to follow those instructions. So the first instruction, 8 red, add 7 yellow. So I'm going to draw out 8 red. Add 7 yellow. Remember, when we are adding, we are literally drawing everything next to each other, and we are considering it as a big group. So if I had this big group of counters, something I would need to observe is that some of these are going to cancel with one another. So these cancel, these cancel, these cancel, these cancel. Hopefully that's not a surprise, because anytime we add a positive one and a negative one together, it goes to 0. Those cancel, those cancel, those cancel. I got kind of creative with my crossing out. And then notice we have one lonely counter left. It is a single red, so my answer would be -1. Second example, 5 yellow, take away 3 red. So 5 yellow. Again, when we are doing a takeaway problem, we are starting with the first number, 5 red, and now we are trying to take away 3 red. Well, the problem is I only have 5 red, and I want to take away something I don't have. So this is where our trusty 0 box comes in. We can put anything we want in the 0 box as long as it adds up to 0. So we can put the 3 red we want to take away, but it has to add up to 0, so I also need to have 3 yellow. Now I can take away the 3 red that I'm looking for, and I can count up how many yellow I have total, which is 8. So the final answer on that one is 8, +8. And then the last one, 2 yellow, add 8 red. So 2 yellow, add 8 red. That means we're going to draw them as a whole big group, and then we're going to see if anything happens with the counters. Okay, if I'm considering this as one big group, remember, anytime you have a yellow and a red in a group together, they're going to add up to 0. So we can use that relationship to get rid of a couple of these guys, and we are left with 6 red, which is -6 is the answer. So the answer on those 3, the first one was -1, the second one was +8, and the third one was -6. All right, you are now moving on to some Khan Academy videos. Make sure you take notes. You're good for the sub. And you can use the answer key for the homework to make sure you are multiplying and dividing fractions correctly. Good luck. See you later.